SM City Mandaue. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's explore and have a quick update on the ongoing renovation of J Center Mall, which is now the newest SM City in Mandaue. The newest SM City in Mandaue. Its exact location is in AS Fortuna Street, Mandaue City, Cebu, Philippines. We are now near the corner leading to SM City Mandaue, and let's turn left ahead. The name of this road is MC Bralones Street, and this road is AS Fortuna Street. This is now the current update on the ongoing renovation of SM City Mandaue as of October 2023. A closer look at the ongoing renovation of the mall. Now, let's check at the back portion of the mall. This is the ongoing construction of J Tower Residences Mandaue. J Tower Residences will be the tallest building in Mandaue City, an iconic landmark in vertical development bringing exceptional standards in leisure living, lifestyle, shopping, and an exciting community where proximity is a privilege. Alright. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.